Grapes are often viewed with suspicion by people trying to limit sugar intake, especially as modern nutrition messaging frequently categorizes fruit sugars alongside added sugars found in processed foods. Yet growing research challenges this oversimplified view, revealing that the natural sugars in whole fruit, particularly grapes, do not behave in the body the way refined sugars do. In fact, grapes may provide powerful protection against cognitive decline and age-related memory loss, due largely to their exceptional concentration of antioxidant polyphenol that work directly on neural tissue, cerebral blood flow, and inflammatory pathways in the brain. Rather than contributing to metabolic stress, the natural glucose and fructose in grapes appear to act synergistically with these bioactive compounds to fuel brain cells efficiently while reducing oxidative damage and supporting long-term brain resilience. This is a profound contrast to low-sugar packaged snacks, which may cut calories but offer little to no neuroprotective value and may even worsen cognitive health if they contain artificial sweeteners, refined starches, or industrial additives. In a series of controlled studies conducted in the United States and Europe, participants consuming grape extracts or whole grapes daily showed significant improvements in memory performance, processing speed, and attention compared with individuals consuming low-sugar snack alternatives designed to reduce calorie intake. One notable clinical trial followed older adults with early signs of cognitive decline and found that those who consumed grapes twice per day for 6 months demonstrated measurable preservation of metabolic function in the hippocampus, the region of the brain essential for memory and learning. Functional MRI scans revealed higher levels of neural activity and better connectivity between key regions involved in learning and recall, suggesting that grape polyphenol protect neurons from degeneration while enhancing communication pathways critical for cognitive stability. Participants consuming low-sugar cereal bars or crackers saw no such improvements, despite similar calorie intake. The protective effect appears to be rooted in the synergy between natural sugars and grape polyphenols such as resveratrol, quercetin, catechins, and anthocyanins. These compounds are exceptionally effective at neutralizing free radicals, reducing neuroinflammation, and protecting neurons from stressors such as beta-amyloid accumulation, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Natural fruit sugars help deliver these antioxidants to the brain by providing a steady, gentle source of energy for neurons, which rely almost exclusively on glucose to function. Unlike the sharp spikes and crashes associated with refined sugars in packaged snacks, the fiber and phytochemical matrix of whole grapes results in slower absorption and more stable blood glucose, creating a metabolic environment that supports rather than harms cognitive performance. Another remarkable finding from recent nutrition research is that grape consumption can improve cerebral blood flow, increasing oxygen delivery to the brain and enhancing mental clarity. This improved vascular function is tightly linked to polyphenol ability to boost nitric oxide availability, which helps maintain flexible, healthy blood vessels. Enhanced circulation is critical for preventing cognitive decline because reduced blood flow is strongly associated with memory impairment, brain fog, and reduced problem-solving ability. Low-sugar packaged snacks, often fortified with synthetic vitamins but lacking complex plant compounds, do not influence vascular health in this way, and many contain sodium, processed oils, or artificial preservatives that may increase inflammation and negatively affect circulation when consumed regularly. Polyphenol in grapes also appear to influence the gut-brain axis in meaningful ways. Research examining microbiome changes during grape consumption found increases in beneficial bacteria linked to neurotransmitter production, including strains associated with serotonin synthesis and emotional regulation. This is especially relevant because chronic stress, anxiety, and poor sleep accelerate cognitive aging. Participants who consumed grapes daily reported improved subjective well-being and reduced fatigue alongside cognitive performance improvements, suggesting that whole-body anti-inflammatory effects directly support mental vitality. In contrast, low-sugar snacks often contain artificial sweeteners such as sucralose or aspartame, which can disrupt gut microbial balance and may negatively impact mood and cognitive clarity over time. What makes grape research particularly encouraging is that benefits were observed not only with concentrated extracts or juices, but also with simple daily consumption of whole grapes, fresh or even frozen, making them accessible and realistic for everyday use. Red and purple varieties tend to be richest in polyphenol, especially those with darker skins, which contain high levels of anthocyanins known for their strong neuroprotective properties. Eating grapes with the skin maximizes these benefits, and combining them with nuts or yogurt can help enhance antioxidant absorption and provide steady energy. Even small servings, such as a cup of grapes per day, have been associated with measurable improvements in memory and neural resilience, showing how powerful whole food nutrition can be when consumed consistently. Winter is an especially important season to consider brain supportive foods, as reduced sunlight, lower physical activity, increased stress, and heavier eating patterns can all strain cognitive function. At the same time, grocery stores fill with highly processed, low-sugar snack bars and diet-branded treats that promise health but deliver very little. Grapes offer a refreshing alternative, bright, juicy, energizing, and deeply nourishing at the cellular level. They demonstrate that health does not require deprivation or avoidance, but rather the embrace of nutritionally rich foods that feed the brain as well as the body. The emerging science surrounding grapes reminds us that natural sugars and whole foods are not the enemy. They are part of a synergistic nutritional system designed to support vitality and resilience. Instead of fearing fruit or turning to artificially engineered snacks, choosing something as simple and delicious as a handful of grapes each day may help preserve memory, sharpen focus, and protect long-term brain function. In a world where cognitive decline is rising and wellness trends push restriction and control, grapes offer a hopeful, joyful, and scientifically supported path toward better brain health, sweetness that truly nourishes, both today and for the years ahead.